there, wig lovers. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of another Gabor wig. This one's called High Society, and the color on High Society is GL1422, also known as Sandy Blonde. This is a very pretty light blonde color. The base is sort of like a honey blonde. Here, let me zoom in on this for you. Honey blondes are neat because they're neutral, but they're not completely ashy, so they're, you know, not too gold, not too red. They're just right for most people. Kind of beige-ish. And then on top here, we've got this 22, which is a very light sort of Swedish blonde. It's very pretty, and this is definitely an ash-based light blonde. So the two colors blended together gives you a fairly neutral, if not almost ashy, kind of blonde color. It's very pretty, and as you can tell on me, it's fairly light. Initial impression of High Society is that it's a pretty standard, sleek bob. As you can see when I turn to the side, it's slightly graduated. The back's a little bit shorter than it is in the front, but it's not nearly as graduated as the Opulence wig, which is quite shorter in the back. And it kind of hugs the face with these layers. It also has some fringe framing the face, but it's also quite long, as I hopefully just demonstrated. This wig has a monofilament side part in addition to a hand-tied lace front. I think that this one is a decent weight. It's 3.84 ounces, which is a little heavy for a wig of this length, but you know, it's pretty much right on the average. The front on this is 10 inches, which is almost chin length, maybe a little bit longer on some people. The crown down is 11 inches. The sides are 6.5 inches, and the nape is 3.5. So like I said, it's pretty short in the back, and I'll show you that a little bit better now when I do my little 360. I think this one's pretty nice for what it is. I like the fact that it has this nice monofilament side part. I like the fact that it has this very lovely lace front. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you what this one looks like inverted, so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. There's that lace front I mentioned and that nice monofilament side part. It's surrounded with this really nice felt that helps keep the wig comfortable and in place. There's a little bit of felt right here at the hairline, but not where the lace front is, and that mono part. This whole area here has permatease on it, so that way it kind of obscures the wefts. This wig is very sleek and straight, so it doesn't really do much to add volume, so it's very minimal permatease. And then here on the sides, it's quite stretchy, and you've got this nice open back to help it breathe. Felt on the ear tabs. We've also got a non-extended nape, but it's entirely made of felt, and it has these really nice Velcro adjusters in the back, which is nice. And here, up close and personal, you can kind of see what this color looks like. There's that honey, as you can see. And then next to that, you've got that ashy blonde. So what that honey does is it prevents it from pulling too ashy, because when wigs look too ashy, they tend to look a little bit too edgy for most people, which is why they're so hard to find for the people who want them. I'm going to go ahead and use this wide tooth comb to sleek this wig back out, just barely grazing the bottoms and then working my way up. You don't ever want to dig into the wig, you just kind of want to graze it. And here, let me show you that mono part. There's that monofilament part with these light colors. It tends to blend in really nicely. Very, very pretty wig. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on now. If you like Gabor, you like their hair fibers, and you like their cap construction, and if you like their very tasteful color palette, then this is a very, very nice wig. This has been the High Society by Gabor in the color GL14-22, also known as Sandy Blonde. I'm Heather from CysterWigs. You can check out my web store at www.cysterwigs.com. And until next time, I'm wishing you a great afternoon, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye!